Blue skies here on 30A in Florida. But the question I have is blue skies ahead for the stock market? Looking at volatility this week and over the weekend, and I'm looking at this suppressed spring. And that spring has really no more further to go down. Rather, it may just go up. The question is, what's going to push it? The jobs report didn't do it. S&P jumped above 6,500, where the option world is pricing in gamma, right? Market makers are pricing in and hedging that level right there. Went up on Friday, closed below 6,500. 6,430 is that low end, that's bottom of that range. We just seem to be bouncing in this range. And the question I have is, what is going to be the catalyst that lights this fuse? Because systematic traders, investors, big systematic funds, insurance companies, so on and so forth, they've allocated all their money. And because they've allocated their money, there's no more money to put in the market to make it go higher. Well, if it doesn't have any fuel to light that fire and push this market higher, then it's got to take some profits and basically reevaluate these prices. Now, last week, or I think it was yesterday, I posted here on TikTok and a couple of other YouTube that I believe the 130s is where Nvidia is headed. Right there, that would be incredible pricing. All that profit you've made between 130s and 185 or so, that's enormous. Well, if you're an institutional fund, you don't have any more capital to deploy. So you're going to raise profits, bring these stocks down to reasonable rates, reasonable prices, and then you're going to come back in October, November, December, push this thing higher, leverage it up, make a ton of money, and get your bonuses. Just remember, Wall Street is about making money. Not about your feelings, not about FOMO, not about, oh, you said this is a wonderful company, he's such a wonderful CEO. No, it's about making money. And we have made money for these guys. You've made money. Hell, if you've been in app loving since we introduced that on July 28th to the Telsheet 12, it just got added to the S&P 500. It's through the roof. You made a crap ton of money. You've made a ton of money. What do? Wait it out? Oh, it's going to go higher? Or you take profits? Do you risk manage? You pull it back? You pull back, you risk manage, you pull out your profits, you bring your allocation down to the reasonable 8% level where you should be, and take those profits, bank them, wait for the opportunity to buy some of these companies at a cheaper price and go forth. If you are interested in learning the stock market so that you can live this dream, sign up for the Best of US Investors 14-day trial of the Platinum Channel. You're going to change your life by learning a skill and a process in eliminating FOMO. You want to be out here? Then you need to subscribe to Best US Investors. Go to the link in the profile and hit the link and go subscribe. Take advantage of our 14-day trial, and we will teach you how to make this a reality. Live loud. See ya.